Let's talk about the benefits of ChatGPT in customer experience. How can ChatGPT can improve customer experience? I see 5 emerging trends. There is a new generation of chatbots. The old chatbots were scripted. The new ones are more conversational, and the old ones feel inhuman and frustrate customers. The new ones are like you're having a conversation with another human. The quality of the feedback you get is much higher. You can continue a conversation, so it's like you're talking to a live person. Once we have the quality of ChatGPT in customer service bots, it will be a whole new world of automation of customer experiences. It's finally happening. The AI system can help humans speed up their work and reactions towards customers. You can ask the chatbot to give a first idea of a reaction towards an email. Then you can fine-tune it a little bit, or if you have to send an email to, let's say, thousands of customers. Perhaps to tell them that maybe a shipment is going to be late or that you're out of stock of specific products. The productivity of the humans working in and around the customer experiences will increase dramatically because of AI. On social media today, many organizations have people just reacting to people on Twitter or Facebook. When they write a review on TripAdvisor or OpenTable now, you can ask ChatGPT to write a first reaction towards a customer's post. Again, you get a first reaction. You reach a specific style. You can fine-tune it. Now you can react to reviews on TripAdvisor, for instance, at 5 times the speed compared to when you have to type in everything, so it speeds up conversation management. Again, it's an increase in efficiency and effectiveness. Sometimes we're stuck. We always repeatedly think about the same concepts to make our customers happy. Now you can ask your AI assistant to come up with some ideas and say, how can I wow my customers when something like this happens? When something goes wrong, you can ask AI about your company's style and culture. Ask which innovations and customer experience would bring value to our customers. Instead of getting together 8 people for half a day, you now type in a question. Some have tried it with some surprising results and generated new good ideas. After that first session of ideas, you can build on that as a human team, inspiring the team to develop innovation in CX. Code interfaces for customers may not be up to speed, or they're not convenient enough, and then the CX team wants the IT team to work on that. However, there's often a long queue of technology priorities, and you have to wait 3 months to change a simple thing for the customer. If you could outsource this now to a machine, what if you could ask ChatGPT to improve the code or change the code? To improve your user interfaces much faster than in the past, which creates a new benefit for customers. Let's summarize. The use of ChatGPT can significantly improve customer experience in various ways. The emergence of smart chatbots allows for more conversational interactions with customers, increasing the quality of feedback received. Augmented intelligence also speeds up work processes and helps humans react faster to customer inquiries. Additionally, conversation management is made more efficient through ChatGPT in reacting to customer reviews and posts on social media platforms. Rapid innovation is also possible through AI assistants who can assist in coming up with new ideas for customer experience improvements. Finally, application coding can be outsourced to machines, allowing for faster improvements to user interfaces, resulting in better customer feedback and quicker reactions to their needs. Overall, the benefits of ChatGPT in customer experience are numerous and can greatly enhance the quality of customer interactions and satisfaction. As these interesting developments evolve, I will bring additional developments to your attention. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the channel and like this video.